Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. It's Greekkid82, or Chad here. Just give a few seconds for everybody getting a late login and let the ads roll through here. Alrighty. So first of all, thanks everybody for getting in the break. Got a lot of new names tonight. It is my first break back for, gosh, it's been over a week. I was on a school trip, so excited to be back. Looking for some good cards here. So thanks again, guys, for getting in the break. We'll start with the roster. We also have a new camera, so this should be nice. I think we'll be able to focus in on some of the serial numbers. Alright, we've got Giannis with the 49ers, BP 450 with the Eagles, Giants, Patriots, and Ravens, Kearns with the Cardinals, Chiefs, and Dolphins, Jordan with the Bears, Bills, and Raiders, Flo with the Jets, Lions, Rams, and Steelers, Colts with the Titans, Ace with the Colts, I'm sorry, Shorty with the Titans, Saints, and Redskins, NLC 27 with the Packers, Abby's dad with the Bengals, Falcons, Jaguars, and Panthers, M. Faust with the Broncos, Texas with the Texans, and Blue Guitar with the Cowboys. So good luck, guys. Hopefully we pull something big. And everybody already got their feedback, or should have. If not, I'll go back and make sure everybody's squared away, but got that taken care of. Empty box. And here we go. Alrighty, there's Dwayne Bowe with the Kansas City Chiefs. Let's do this. And that one's not numbered. Second, we've got Sam Huff for the New York Giants. And that one is numbered 454 of 499. We've got Adrian Claiborne for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Sorry guys, this is getting adjusted to the new camera. I've got to figure out where these cards need to be. Adrian Claiborne, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. That's a Phenom card. That is numbered 139 of 499. And Jimmy Smith for the Ravens. And that's a Phenoms as well. And that's numbered 34 of 50. 34 of 50. So that goes to BP 450. Congrats on that one. And the Buccaneers card goes to Kearns, so congrats to that. Here's a draft day Nick Fairley patch and jersey swatch for the Lions. And that's numbered 3 of 50. 3 of 50. It's a nice hit for the Lions. That goes to Flo. Bilal Powell for the Jets. That looks like it's a glove, like a jersey glove swatch there for Bilal Powell. And that is numbered 3 of 99. 3 of 99. So congrats on the Jets hit to Flo as well. So back-to-back hits there for Flo. And the next one is a Packers hit. A Randall Cobb on-card auto with the jersey and the patch there and the Packers writing. So that's a nice card. And that goes to NLC 27, and that's numbered 141 of 299. And finally, finish it off with a Kyle Orton Denver Broncos base card. And that'll do it for our limited box. And for those who didn't receive anything, of course I always send out cards from my own collection, so you will get something. Stay tuned, guys. Even if you're not in the break, Playoff Contenders is coming up. Also, we have a limited box with the auctions ending shortly after 9:30, I believe. And also, gosh, what another, or a Crown Royal, 2010 Crown Royal, and then a mini box for Topps Precision 2011. So stay tuned, pull those up, get in those breaks. Those will be tomorrow night. And appreciate it, guys, and we'll be back soon.